Pink Panther flakes are pink and sweet as a Pink Panther color of pink. Tickles me pink. Pink Panther flakes are pink and sweet as a Pink Panther color of pink. Tickles me pink.
We love a good breakfast, butter toast, and juice and milk, and your Pink Panther flakes too. We love your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different vitamins just as much as we love you.
From Post.
Like you crave that corn when it's freshly bobbed, you gotta beat it to the box with the butter on the top. Don't hesitate, mate. Make that scene. Get eyes for the coolest and dig some ice cream. Get with it, man. Start strolling down to the sweets that set you rolling, the best in town. Our candy's real gone, if I'm understood. To all you squares, that means the confection is positively delicious. Cork that stuff, give me 5, let me send you into this nutty jive. All the cats go cool for the dog that's hot, and the burgers are the biggest. Dad, that's a lot. Go, man, go, it ain't very far. Shake it on down to this cool snack bar. Come on, Jill, give us a treat. A friendly pepper-upper with a tasty beat.
Drink Dr. Pepper, Dr. Pepper, 'cause it never lets you down.
Frosty, man, frosty.
Weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it. Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
Boy, what a day for a swim. Hey, Pop, where's everybody going?
We're all going south. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Ah, go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow.
kitty cat you just read about? I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it.
Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner?
I'm gonna have catfish.
Yeah?
Let me take your scarf.
You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me.
You must be pretty cold, buddy.
No, I ain't cold.
Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee.
Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. Mice. Meat. That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Can't get enough of Super Sugar Crisp.
Get 'em, Sugar Bear Robot.
Love the taste of Super Sugar Crisp. Who are you?
Sugar Bear, don't take our Super Sugar Crisp.
Sugar Bear? I'm the real Sugar Bear. Give him back the Super Sugar Crisp. Go play with Blob.
Good work, Sugar.
Good breakfast, kid. Featuring vitamin fortified post Super Sugar Crisp. A taste to put a smile on your face.
He was late today.